Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of home transformation as we explore how to turn your living space into the ultimate dream entertainment center. Whether you're a movie buff, a gaming enthusiast, or simply love to entertain guests, we've got you covered with innovative ideas and expert tips. So, let's embark on this journey together. Before diving into the transformation process, take a moment to assess your living space. Consider factors such as room size, layout, and existing furniture arrangements. This will help you determine the best approach for optimizing your entertainment center's design. Next, it's important to establish a budget for your project. Determine how much you're willing to spend on technology, furniture, decor, and any other elements you plan to incorporate. This will guide your decision-making process and ensure that you stay within your financial means. Gather inspiration from magazines, websites, and social media platforms to help you visualize your dream entertainment center. Pay attention to different design styles, color schemes, and layout ideas that resonate with you. This will serve as a blueprint for bringing your vision to life. Choose furniture pieces that are both stylish and functional. Consider investing in comfortable seating options, such as recliners, sofas, or sectional sofas with built-in cup holders and USB ports. Opt for durable materials that can withstand frequent use and complement the overall aesthetic of your space. Now it's time to incorporate cutting-edge technology into your entertainment center. Invest in a high-definition television or projector screen paired with a surround sound system for an immersive viewing experience. Explore smart home devices that allow you to control your entertainment center with ease, such as voice-activated assistants and smart lighting system. For gaming enthusiasts, create a dedicated gaming zone complete with gaming consoles, gaming PCs, and comfortable gaming chairs. Consider installing shelves or storage units to organize your game collection and accessories neatly. Don't forget to add personalized touches like gaming-themed decor and artwork to enhance the ambience. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of your entertainment center. Experiment with different lighting options, such as recessed lighting, floor lamps, and LED strips to create a dynamic and visually appealing environment. Incorporate dimmer switches or smart lighting controls to adjust the brightness and color temperature according to your preferences. Ensure optimal sound quality by strategically placing speakers and soundbars throughout your entertainment center. Consider acoustical treatments such as rugs, curtains, and wall panels to minimize echo and enhance audio clarity. Experiment with sound calibration tools to fine-tune the audio settings for an immersive listening experience. Maximize the versatility of your entertainment center by incorporating multifunctional spaces. Create a cozy reading nook with a comfortable armchair and bookshelves. Or transform an unused corner into a mini-bar area complete with a wine rack and bar stools. This allows you to adapt your space to accommodate different activities and interests. Organize clutter and maximize storage space with clever storage solutions. Invest in entertainment units with built-in shelves, cabinets, and drawers to store media consoles, DVDs, and gaming accessories. Utilize ottomans, storage benches, and coffee tables with hidden compartments to conceal remote controls, blankets, and other items. Add personal touches to make your entertainment center feel like home. Display family photos, artwork, and memorabilia that reflect your personality and interests. Incorporate decorative accents such as throw pillows, area rugs, and wall art to infuse your space with warmth and character. Create a centralized hub for connectivity and convenience. Install power outlets, USB charging ports, and cable management solutions to keep your devices powered and organized. Consider incorporating wireless charging pads and docking stations for smartphones, tablets, and other gadgets. Curate a selection of entertainment programming to cater to different tastes and preferences. Subscribe to streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus for access to a vast library of movies, TV shows, and documentaries. Explore online gaming platforms and digital music streaming services to keep you entertained for hours on end. Integrate your entertainment center with smart home technology for added convenience and control. Invest in smart speakers, thermostats, and security cameras that can be easily controlled via voice commands or mobile apps. Explore home automation systems that allow you to schedule tasks, create routines, and monitor energy usage effortlessly. Design your entertainment center with family-friendly features in mind. Create a designated play area for children complete with toys, games, and puzzles. Install child-proofing measures such as safety gates, cabinet locks, and corner guards to ensure a safe and secure environment for kids of all ages. Embrace eco-friendly solutions to minimize your environmental footprint. Opt for energy-efficient appliances, LED lighting, and sustainable materials whenever possible. Incorporate indoor plants and natural elements to improve air quality and create a healthy living environment for you and your loved ones. Update your entertainment center with seasonal decor to celebrate holidays and special occasions throughout the year. Incorporate festive decorations, such as garlands, wreaths, and ornaments to add a touch of charm and whimsy to your space. Experiment with seasonal color palettes and themed accessories to create a festive ambience that delights your guests. Maintain the beauty and functionality of your entertainment center with regular upkeep and maintenance. Clean your electronic devices, furniture, and decor items regularly to prevent dust buildup and prolong their lifespan. Check and replace batteries, light bulbs, and other consumable items as needed to ensure optimal performance. Stay ahead of the curve by planning for future upgrades and enhancements. Keep an eye on emerging trends and technological advancements in home entertainment too. Ensure that your entertainment center remains state-of-the-art. Budget and prioritize upgrades based on your evolving needs and preferences to keep your space fresh and exciting for years to come. As we reach the end of our journey, take a moment to appreciate the transformation of your living space into the ultimate dream entertainment center. From the initial planning stages to the final finishing touches, every step of the process has been guided by your vision and creativity. We hope this video has inspired you to create a space that brings joy, comfort, and entertainment to your life. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, happy transforming!